Hi everyone, a warm good morning to all. So kids, I'm again with another maths class. So today is maths, no? Today is maths. Are you all ready for today's class? Are you all ready for today's class? Very good. In the last class, what did we discussed? നമ്മൾ എന്തായിരുന്നു ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്? Yes, we were discussing about the shapes. ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ പുതിയൊരു ഷേപ്പ് പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ? In the previous class, we learned a new shape. In the previous class, we learned a new shape. Which is that shape? Which is that new shape? Say loudly. Yes, star. We learned the shape star. And today also, we are going to discuss about a new shape. Today also, we are going to discuss about a new shape. Before going to the new shape, I would like to revise the old shapes. I would like to revise the old shapes we learned. നമ്മൾ ഇതുവരെ പഠിച്ചിരുന്ന ഷേപ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു? All of you please revise it. Yes. Circle, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, then the new shape is star. In the previous class, we learned the shape star. Do you love to see the moon in the sky? Do you love to see? Yeah. We all love to see the moon in the sky. എല്ലാവർക്കും മൂണിനെ കാണാൻ ഇഷ്ടമാണല്ലേ? Okay. Is the moon is always same? Is the moon is always same? No. It will change. അല്ലേ? ഓരോ ഡേയിലും മൂണിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പ് മാറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കില്ലേ? Okay. Sometimes we can see a full moon like the circle. Okay. And sometime it will be half moon. Right? Like in this picture. Yeah. Look at this picture. Here is a moon and stars. What is the shape of this moon? Is it circle? No. We cannot say it is a circle. Then what? Then what is the shape of this moon? Yes, it is half circle. അല്ലേ? It is half circle. ഈ മൂന്ന് ഒരു സർക്കിൾ ആണെന്ന് നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ഹാഫ് സർക്കിൾ എന്ന് പറയാം അല്ലേ? സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ ഒരു പോർഷൻ ആണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് പറയാം. ഓക്കെ. Now I will show you another thing. All of you see here, what is this? Yeah, it is circle. We all know it very well. The shape circle. Circle. Now, ma'am is going to fold this circle. See here, I folded this circle. And I make it perfect, okay? Now what is this shape? Yeah, like the moon. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത് മൂണിനെ പോലെ ഇല്ലേ? And do you love to see the rainbow? Do you love rainbow? See here, I have a rainbow with me. Look at this rainbow. What is the shape of this rainbow? Is it square? No. Is it triangle? No. Then what? Yes. It is like a half circle. അല്ലേ? It is like half circle. And like this, cut out. This shape is called semicircle. Semicircle. See here a curve. Here we can see a curve and a sleeping line, right? And a sleeping line. A sleeping line and a curve. As two sides, curve and a sleeping line. Now, I will give you more examples, okay? I will give you more examples. Look at this picture. What is this? What is this? Yeah, it is umbrella. It is umbrella. What is the shape of this umbrella? This umbrella shape is semicircle. All of you say with me, semicircle. Semicircle. And look at the next picture. Look at the next picture. What is this? Yeah, it is a watermelon. Do you love watermelon? Yeah. And what is the shape of this watermelon? And this watermelon shape is semicircle. What it is? Semicircle. And look at the next picture. This is the burger bun. നമ്മൾ ബർഗർ ഒക്കെ കഴിക്കുമ്പോഴുള്ള ബണ്ണാണല്ലേ അത്? Yeah, what is the shape of this? It's also semicircle. ബണ്ണിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പും എന്താണ്? Semicircle. Okay. And the next picture here. Do you know what is this? Kids? It is mushroom. What is it? It is mushroom. And look at the top of this picture. ഈ മഷ്റൂമിൻ്റെ ടോപ്പിൽ നോക്കിക്കേ. It's something like umbrella, അല്ലേ? The mushroom is something like umbrella. And its top is also semicircle. മഷ്റൂമിൻ്റെ ടോപ്പിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കാണുന്ന ആ പോർഷൻ ഇല്ലേ? അതെന്താണ്? Semicircle. അല്ലേ? Semicircle. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, it is bowl. We all have bowls in our homes. അല്ലേ? നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിലെല്ലാം ബൗൾസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? What is the shape of this bowl? What is the shape of this bowl? Semicircle. Semicircle. Okay. Now we saw so many things which has the shape semicircle. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ സെമിസർക്കിൾ ഷേപ്പിലുള്ള ഒരുപാട് തിങ്സ് കണ്ടു അല്ലേ? ഒരുപാട് പിക്ചേഴ്സ് നമ്മളിവിടെ കണ്ടു. ഇതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ ഷേപ്പ് എന്താണെന്നാണ് മാം പറഞ്ഞത്? സെമിസർക്കിൾ. All of you say with me. Semicircle. All of you say. Semicircle. Very good. Okay kids. Now let's look how to draw semicircle. How to draw a semicircle. So kids, now I'm going to draw semicircle for you. All of you listen here, okay? First, we will draw a sleeping line, okay? See? A sleeping line. Then from this end, we have to draw a curve to this end. See here? First, we will draw a sleeping line. We will draw a sleeping line. Then we have to draw from here to here. See? This is semicircle. What is this? Semicircle. Now all of you take your slate and pencil and draw with me, okay? Draw a sleeping line like this. All of you draw a sleeping line like this. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്ലീപ്പിംഗ് ലൈൻ തുടങ്ങിയ ഈ പോയിന്റ് ഇല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു കർവ് വരയ്ക്കുക. ഓക്കെ? സി? എല്ലാവരും വരച്ചോ? Now show me your slate. All of you show me your slate. Very good. So this is semicircle. Semicircle. Okay. All of you listen, okay? First we have to draw a sleeping line like this. Then we have to draw a curve to first end to the last inch. See? See, this is semicircle. Easy അല്ലേ semicircle വരയ്ക്കാൻ? Okay. In the previous class, we drew a star. അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർ വരച്ചില്ലേ? എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു സ്റ്റാർ വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്? Yes. A triangle to upside, then a triangle to downside. We will draw star here. Okay, I am going to draw star also. A triangle to upside, then a triangle to downside. Star. Alle? A triangle to upside, then a triangle to downside. This is star and this is semicircle. Semicircle, star. Did you all study to draw the semicircle and star? Star നമ്മൾ already പഠിച്ചല്ലോ അല്ലേ? So today we learned semicircle. Did you all study it? Very good. Okay, little ones. So now we study to draw the shape semicircle. We learn to draw the shape semicircle now. And we revise the shape star also. Okay. Now let's sing a small rhyme about the shape star. Yeah. All of you listen here, okay? And you have to sing after me. This rhyme is very familiar to you. This rhyme is very familiar to you. So, will you sing along with me? Will you? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Kids, shall we sing this rhyme one more time? Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very good. So, kids, this is all for today. I'm winding up my class. We'll see you in the next class. Bye.